Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of gaming collectibles. Today, we're excited to showcase a standout item from the vibrant universe of Splatoon. It's the Off-the-Hook set amiibo featuring Pearl and Marina. If you're a fan of Splatoon, then you know that Marina is one of the most beloved characters in the franchise. Let's explore why this amiibo is hailed as the best representation of Marina and why it deserves a spot on your gaming shelf. The Off-the-Hook set amiibo is not just an ordinary collectible. It represents the dynamic duo from Splatoon 2, Pearl and Marina, who are known for their infectious energy and captivating performances. Pearl, with her sassy attitude, and Marina, the brilliant DJ genius, have won the hearts of fans worldwide. Together, they host the Inkopolis News and Splatfest events, creating an unforgettable experience for players. This amiibo captures their essence beautifully, bringing their characters to life with intricate details and vibrant colors. The amiibo itself features Pearl in her striking pink outfit, showcasing her playful demeanor, while Marina exudes charm in her stylish attire, complete with her iconic octopus-like hair. The design not only highlights their unique traits but also represents the spirit of the Splatoon universe, a blend of fun, creativity, and competition. So, what can you do with the Off-the-Hook set amiibo? When you tap these amiibo figures on your Nintendo Switch, you unlock exclusive in-game content. This includes unique gear, weapons, and even access to special challenges that enhance your gaming experience. The amiibo functionality adds a layer of interactivity, making it more than just a decorative piece for your collection. Whether you're looking to elevate your character's style or gain a competitive edge, this amiibo offers great value. Moreover, amiibo figures serve as a nostalgic nod to fans of the series. They remind us of our adventures in Inkopolis and the vibrant world of Splatoon. Each time you use the amiibo, it feels like you're inviting Pearl and Marina back into your gaming experience, adding an extra layer of immersion and excitement. Now, let's talk about the collector's value of the Off-the-Hook set amiibo. Amiibo collecting has become a significant trend among gamers and enthusiasts alike. This particular set is highly sought after due to its limited availability and the popularity of the Splatoon series. As fans know, amiibo figures can appreciate over time, making them a wise investment for collectors. The Off-the-Hook set not only serves as a functional gaming tool but also as a collectible piece of art that reflects the creativity and charm of the Splatoon universe. The packaging of the amiibo is equally impressive. With vibrant graphics and attention to detail, it's perfect for display. Whether you choose to keep it in the box or showcase it alongside your other collectibles, the Off-the-Hook set is sure to catch the eye of anyone who enters your gaming space. In conclusion, the Off-the-Hook set amiibo featuring Pearl and Marina is a must-have for any Splatoon fan. Its combination of stunning design, in-game functionality, and collector's value makes it an exceptional addition to your gaming collection. This amiibo not only honors the beloved characters of Pearl and Marina but also enhances your gameplay experience in Splatoon 2. So, if you're looking for the best representation of Marina in amiibo form, look no further. This is the one to get. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews and showcases of your favorite gaming collectibles. Until next time, keep gaming and collecting.